Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to buy Bitcoin safely. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. So select a reputable and trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange that supports Bitcoin. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Gemini. Research and compare the features, fees, security measures, and user reviews of different exchanges to make an informed decision. Now sign up and complete the verification process. Create an account on the chosen cryptocurrency exchange, provide the necessary information, and complete the verification process, which may involve submitting identification documents for Know Your Customer compliance. This step helps ensure the security and legitimacy of your account. Now secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account to add an extra layer of security. Use a strong and unique password for your account and consider using a hardware wallet for storing your Bitcoin for added security. Now deposit funds into your exchange account. After your account is set up and verified, deposit funds into your exchange account. Most exchanges support deposits in fiat currencies such as USD or Euro. Follow the instructions provided by the exchange to deposit funds using bank transfers, credit or debit card, or other supported payment methods. Now place a order. In the trading interface of the exchange, specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or the amount of the fiat currency you want to spend on the purchasing Bitcoin. You can choose between a market order, which is buy at the current market price, or a limit order, which is buy at a specific price. Now review and confirm the order. So double check the details of your buy order, including the amount, price, and any applicable fees. Once you are satisfied, confirm the order to submit it. The next thing you need to do is to securely store your Bitcoin. So after your is complete, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a secure wallet that you control. While exchanges provide wallets, it is generally recommended to store your cryptocurrency in a hardware wallet or a reputable software wallet that offers better security. So it is important to exercise caution and do your own research before buying cryptocurrencies. Be aware of potential risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies, such as price volatility and security concerns. Additionally, be cautious of phishing attempts, always double check URLs, and keep your account credentials and private keys secure. Regularly update yourself on security best practices and stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.